Hello, in front of me I have a HUAWEI P80. In this video I'll show you how to enter Fastboot mode. To enter Fastboot mode, firstly restart your smartphone. Now, press and hold power button and volume up button while restarting. And release it when you see HUAWEI logo. In Fastboot mode, you can restart your smartphone, clear data, enter update mode, or safe mode. You navigate via volume up down button and press power button to select. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.